Hello everyone! Ako maraming salamat. Sinamahan niyo ako to celebrate my 30 years in the entertainment industry. I started as a young girl, dreaming to see myself on screen, and I got to do so much more. Please allow me to look back at what my journey has been so far. Umpisahan po natin, ipaalala sa mga Gen Z na hindi na inabot na I was and still am a singer. Ito ang resibo. Aside from acting, I also love singing. And I have been fortunate enough to be blessed with a career as a recording artist. My first album is self-titled Aramina under Star Records noong 1999. Thank God also dahil nag-Gold Record Award siya. Yung single ko noon Ay, Pag-ibig. Ay, Pag-ibig, nakakakilig, parang sine. Heavenly Aramina. And yung single ko doon, nag-hit din naman at naging theme song ng isang pelikula ng Star Cinema, yung Oops, Teka Lang, Huwag Mo Na Dyan. Oops, Teka Lang, Huwag Mo Na Dyan. Oops, Teka Lang, Hinay-hinay lang. Huwag mo pilitin ipasok sa damdamin ko ang init ng iyong pamamahal. Aramina Moving On, and lahat ng songs doon, ano siya, acoustic and revival, and this is under Sony BMG. I am still in awe of what I have done in my music career because I started out as a reluctant singer. Pero nagawa ko lahat ng ito dahil sa mga naniwala sa akin. And it all began with this song. Ay, Pag-ibig, Mayroong lungkot sa iyong mga mata, at kay bigat ng iyong minadala. At kahit di mo man sabihin, paghihirap mo'y nadarama ko rin. Narito ang mga palad ko hanggang dumaan